love.
As you can see, nobody's helping you.
You love to.
You know, shopping is so much fun, you know? You never know what you can find. Like, it's like my hands are full, and I really like to purchase oh, cute. I mean, what this is, I really don't know, but I'm sure I could do something with this, you know? Nothing like just resting after a heavy day of shopping, especially when you got all these heavy things with you. And forget about that, you know? Forget about that. Maybe I could use some of this, yeah? Or maybe what I could use is this. Nothing like finding a vacuum cleaner on the street because it serves many purposes. First of all, it clearly has wheels that you could use it to wheel things on, which is always a really good thing. So, and you can also use it as a trolley, you know what I mean? So, just bear with me, folks, while I put my purchases onto my lovely trolley. See, I'm just using it as a trolley. That's what I'm doing, you know? It's always good. Check it out close, especially something wheels. And voila, as they say, I can, you know, carry it around and I can oh, what a relief to be wheeling, you know, wheeling my things on a nice little vacuum. Let's see what else I can find over here. Oh, you know what? I need something to clod the garbage with. Hold on. Because when you go shopping, you never know what you're going to find, you know what I mean? And it's also good to you know, people could just steal your packages and at least you have something to, like, you know, like hit them with that or just grab them and, it's not a whole lot in here. Come on, folks, let's just walk around.